Introducing the Alexis Soyer wood-fired mobile oven from Fire Within. Brand new to the market and made in America in an ISO 9001 certified facility, the Alexis Soyer is our lightest and most economical commercial mobile oven on the road today. It's perfect for events where space is limited and for parties where the access is restricted. In fact, even a small SUV can tow it. There is no other compact mobile pizza oven in its class that compares. This is perfect for the veteran restaurateur who would like to develop an additional stream of revenue, or for the first-time entrepreneur who is looking for a manageable launching pad to build a thriving and wood-fired catering enterprise. The Alexis is a lightweight single-axle trailer with a mounted stainless steel wood-fired oven, capable of baking 4 to 5 10-inch pizzas at a time. It's ideal for caterers, street vendors, tailgaters, and restaurants wanting to share their signature tastes with the masses. There's large under-oven storage for all you need to set up a catering event, such as folding tables, tarps, coolers, dough trays, and more. And the trailer has an integrated and dedicated tool holder compartments for pizza peels, brushes, and there is a dedicated firewood storage space designed for ergonomic access while cooking pizza, chicken, fish, steaks, chops, breads, and more. The Alexis model is perfect for restaurants, pizzerias, sororities, fraternities, schools, and nonprofits. It's also great for rental businesses who would like to rent or lease it out for special occasions. At under 1,000 pounds and under $10,000, it's designed not to break your back and not to break the bank. Log on or give us a call today.